Hi guys and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So I've got a special one for you today. It's the Lenovo Yoga laptop. It's the 9i and it's the most expensive device I've had on the channel. So it's about £1,500 RRP, like $2,000. So I've been treating this one really carefully. Not had any drinks near it or no running up and downstairs with this one. So yeah, okay guys. So you get a bigger retail box. Just grab that. So yeah, you get this big retail box here, which I won't bore you with, and then basically you take out this nice box here, and then this one's your charger. So let's have a look. Do a nice unboxing. So it looks like slate almost, but it's just looks like recycled cardboard, but it's a nice box. Okay, and then inside you've got a pull tab for your device. It's got a right heavy weight to it. It's real premium feeling laptop. Sorry, there we go. Okay, and we'll get this box out of the way. Okay, so this is the bottom of it, obviously. So it's all plastic on the bottom. Okay, the top is made out of real leather because it actually has a care card that comes with it that tells you how to look after this. So a bit like a leather sofa. You can treat this with like leather wipes and stuff. And with it being a yoga, the best bit about it, you can open it fully, or open it like a slate there, and then it can go into tent mode, as you can see. So you can use it as a tablet, and you can turn it totally on itself like that. So there you go, guys. So you can put the keyboard down like that. You've got a nice tablet mode as well. So yeah, really cool. I've never used a Lenovo yoga tab before, but really well built. Okay. Oh, I've just noticed it does have a little privacy mode for the camera, so you can put a little lens over it. That's nice. Or a lens cover, should I say. This bit's really cool. So it's got Dolby Atmos speaker with subwoofer, as we say, it says here. And the great thing about it, because this goes in a number of modes, it's got one speaker bar there, and if we turn it right over, you can see the other speaker bar here. So no matter how you have it, that's always going to be pointing at you, which is really cool. Okay, so I didn't realise, but you do get a stylus with the device, so it's just goes into that. I watched another review, I think it was Matthew Moniz, and he was moaning, Matthew Moniz. He was saying that it's a stupid place to put it, but it doesn't really bother me. He was moaning that when you've got it open like this, like a normal laptop, it's hard to get it, and the old yoga was at the side, but it's a bit nitpicky. I'm not really bothered. So the stylus, it's a bit different to a Apple Pencil. Quite a lot smaller, just for reference there. But it's got some good functionality. It does have a battery inside because you can see some magnetic points there. But yeah, good for writing notes. A couple of buttons there as well for like mouse buttons, really, so you can do left and right. But yeah, we'll test that properly. Okay, and what else have we got here, guys? So you've got ports. Well, there's your power button. Might be too zoomed in for that. Power button. Then here's your ports. So you have USB-C. Oh, sorry, USB-A. Firewire stroke. Well, USB-C. They're USB-C ports, and you've got a headphone jack as well. And that's all your ports. You don't have a memory card slot. Some have a micro SD slot, and it's just a Wi-Fi only laptop. It's not a cellular. Okay, and yeah, the charger as well. Here we go. So just a bit of a boring cardboard box, but it's a 65-watt charger, if you can see there. So similar to mobile phones, it's a high rate of charge, and it's also USB-C, which is nice, you know, going with you know, modern devices like iPads, and you know, all phones are USB-C now, apart from iPhones that use lightning chargers and stuff. And then you also get like the, not a kettle lead, but you know, typical laptop one that looks like Mickey Mouse's head. Cool. Okay, so let's have a good look at this now. So it's a 1080p screen, I believe. The newer ones are 4K, some of them, but yeah, really nice screen. Maybe not got this at the best angle for you, but let's give you a bit of a demonstration of the keyboard. I think so. Yeah, the keyboard's not got a lot of travel. The touchpad's nice. It's not got dedicated buttons for left mouse and right mouse, which I'm not overly keen on, and they do like a bit of a vibrate, if you can hear that, so you know that you're pressing stuff. But yeah, not really to my taste, but you know, you probably get used to it. Okay, so let's do a bit of a test. Okay, so yeah, nice, easy to type. It's going to be a lot better than, you know, like a Surface tablet or Surface hybrid laptop keyboard, you know, the fabric ones, or a Samsung one, or, you know, any tablets, iPad ones. You know, it's a proper laptop, but you've got that, you know, brilliant hinge. Oh, bit of detail there, guys, that we maybe missed. Excuse all my rubbish behind here, but yeah, you've got Lenovo Yoga series in like aluminium, which is nice. So yeah, you know, really good keyboard. Okay, so this laptop, as I said, it's got an i7 and it's got the 16 gig of RAM. It's also got the Intel Xe onboard graphics, so it's not you know, a dedicated card. It's just yeah, dedicated. It's just dedicated graphics, but you can do some gaming on it. So I've got some games installed. Let's prop it up into this mode. Set the game, in fact. We'll have a go. We'll see what happens. So yeah, it does look pretty choppy, actually. Okay, I think low graphics are kicked in because it looks like Grand Theft Auto 3 on the PlayStation 2. We'll see if we can do anything though, if it's playable at least. So yeah, it's not really designed for these sort of games, as I say, but you know, it's you can get some light gaming done. I hate builders. I know it's part of the game, but it really annoys me. And they've disappeared. How's that possible? Alright, that'll do. First blood. Yeah, so Fortnite, bit choppy, but as you can see, kind of playable. Oh, just have one last gun battle, wherever that's coming from. Is it this way? Yep. Oh, it's that way, must be. That was easy. Okay, guys, just to show you as well, so I'm just loading Task Manager as I'm struggling to load some games, but yeah, look at this nice big keyboard. So, you know, nice and large to type on. There we go. Okay, Epic Games is just sorting its life out, guys. But yeah, just to show you as well, when you've got it in tablet mode, it's probably good for the thermal performance of the board, because here's your fan, as you can hear, and the you know, like the grate, the exhaust grate. So yeah, you know, better than having it flat on a desk. Does get quite hot to the touch because I've been doing some 3D gaming, obviously. So as I said, it's 4K screen, not a 1080p screen. So let's do a 4K test, which is what I'd normally do with a phone or a tablet. And you know, this is like a hybrid laptop tablet, really. Beautiful, really nice, guys, and those speakers are awesome. So you know, if you put Netflix on, or YouTube, obviously, but if you want to watch a movie, I think it's going to be really cool. You know, nice 4K panel. If you're on your break, or you know, just chilling out on the sofa, and as I say, you can use this in full tablet mode, which is amazing. So yeah, really impressed with its multimedia capabilities. All right, so we'll leave it there for tonight, guys. But yeah, beautiful device. You know, really looking forward to getting to grips with it fully. But yeah, hope you like this one. Let me know, as I say, in the comments, any feedback or anything you want me to test. And I'll see you on the next one. Tech and Eric out. Take care.